NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.2, Question 3. The points 0, 5, 0, -9 and 3, 6 are collinear. We have to check whether this statement is true or false. Let us find the answer. We are given 3 points 0, 5, 0, -9, 3, 6. Let us name these points A, B, C. If A, B and C are collinear points, what is the important property of collinear points? The area formed by these 3 points must be 0, which means area of the triangle ABC must be 0. If we can verify this area, then we can say that the given statement is true. Otherwise, the given statement is false. Let us say point A is x1, y1, point B is x2, y2, and point C is x3, y3. And what is the area formula when we are given 3 points? Area is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. One by 2 modulus of x1 is 0, y2 is -9 minus y3 is 6 plus x2 is 0 of y3 is -9 minus y1 is 5 plus x3 is 3 of y1 is 5 minus y2 is -9. Now let us simplify this. 1 by 2 modulus of 0 times minus 15 is 0 plus 0 times minus 14 is 0 plus 3 of 5 plus 9. 3 of 14 is 42. That is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of 42, which is equal to 21. Therefore, area of the triangle formed by the given points A, B and C is 21. And 21 is not equal to 0. Therefore, A, B, C are not collinear points. Since the given points are not collinear, we can say that the given statement is false.